guys, it's me, Quayla. Today we are here to talk about a hair mask that I'm gonna be trying on this video. Okay, we're gonna see how it works, boo. We're gonna be testing this product out because I really needed to find a new conditioner. So I was like, you know what, let me see what this product is about. Now, it said that it is going to help with your dry, brittle, needing hydration and repair hair. Okay, so this is actually from Royal Formula. You can go to royalformula.com to find out about that. It is Argan Oil hair mask. It's supposed to hydrate, it's supposed to moisturize, and it's supposed to repair. Okay, so I guess we're gonna try it out. You guys know I got dry hair. It's been a little while since I did a deep condition. I had my hair in crochets for a little bit, and now I took them out recently, but I haven't really still given myself a really good condition, so yeah. My hair's been neglected, so I'm trying to take care of it now, okay? So let me go ahead and just kind of read a little bit about this thing here. It says, the Royal Formula is an argan oil hair mask that nourishes and rejuvenates dry, dehydrated hair, okay? So usually if you got curly hair, your hair is always dry. You need some moisture in that piece, okay? Treats split ends and tames dry, frizzy hair while creating that show-stopping shine. Royal Formula's hydrating ingredients will moisturize and strengthen your hair to give it a shinier, silkier, and softer look. After shampooing, you want to apply generous amount of the Royal Formula to the damp hair from root to ends. Wait 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly with warm water. It's suitable for 3 times a week. Now, it is not tested on animals. It is free of parabens and sulfates, so that's good. This is actually from the professional series. So it's $25 on royalformula.com. If you go there, then you can check that out. We are gonna give this a try. Probably gonna have to use this whole container. We gonna find out. Let's go. So today we're gonna be trying out the Royal Formula hair mask. I've already pretty much washed my hair, and so now I'm going to actually just be taking it and applying it onto my hair. So it is sealed. Oh my God. Oh, it smells divine. Oh my God. Dime size for a natural girl. I'm just going to start by putting it all over. Then we're gonna do one side.
And I'm gonna rake it through my hair. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Ugh. Okay. I'm gonna put this all throughout my hair. And I really just want it to just penetrate the hair, work through the hair.
It does help to hydrate hair, and it also helps to moisturize and to repair damaged hair. And I definitely need some moisture, and I have a little bit of damage that I want to work on. So I'm going to be definitely saturating my hair with this product to, get it all in there. But I'm just gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'll come back and share my thoughts with you guys after the final results. Oh my God, guys, look at this definition. Like, I know it's, wet and the product is in the hair, but I'm just saying, like, look at the definition, guys. Can you see it? Or am I tripping? Am I tripping, or can you see it? Okay guys, so I rinsed it out of my hair, and now I'm just going to go ahead and prepare my hair. I decided what I'm gonna do is do like a blowout and like a little, quick little style. So I have finished blow drying my hair. It feels really good, nice and soft. Actually, it feels really soft. My hair normally, when I blow dry it, it just feels a little bit differently. And I mean, it could be the hair mask, it could be the products that I used. Either way it goes, my hair feels really good right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a quick hairstyle, something really simple and okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick style. Definitely check out my next video to find out about that style. I really just wanted to share with you guys my final thoughts about this product. I think it's a good product. My only concern was that it doesn't really say what type of hair type it's for. So I kind of was wondering about that from the company, but as well, I did like the way it smelled. It smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. It felt great. My hair's super soft right now. I ended up blow drying and everything, but my hair was super soft after, and I just didn't feel any issues with it. So what I want to do is I'm definitely gonna go ahead and try it again, obviously. But I want to send you guys over to my website. If you haven't been over to vicariouslymetv.com, you can go over there and check out my review on this product. I'll put the link down in the description box, as well as I'll put the link on where you can buy this product. Certainly you want to go pick that up. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!